Hi, welcome to day 7 of the Conscious Living 8-day journey for increased peace within, happiness, and fulfillment in your life. I'm Meli, and I'm feeling very blessed, grateful, and happy to be sharing this journey with you. Today is all about starting your own gratitude practice. Gratitude is probably the healthiest of all human emotions. And it may even be the single greatest tool for a more positive, happy, and fulfilled life. Gratitude is key to unlocking abundance and success in all areas of our lives. So I lovingly created this guided meditation and self-reflection for you. Before we start, I wanted to share simple ways to create your own daily gratitude practice. The easiest and simplest way I found to practice gratitude every day is this. As soon as you wake up, before even leaving your bed, rest comfortably and think of at least 5 things you are grateful for. And then when you lay down at night and are ready to turn off the light and go to sleep, rest comfortably and think of 5 things you're grateful for from that day. It's so easy. You're guaranteed to make it a part of your daily routine if you try it. Remember the sandwiching technique I shared before to incorporate new healthy and happy habits into your life? This is it. You can create your own gratitude habit by sandwiching it in between activities you already do without thinking. Making it simple and easy is key to success. You can also start your own gratitude journal. If you already journal, you can also add a little section in your journal with this prompt. Today I'm grateful for, and make your list. Simply add it to your journaling routine. You can also add gratitude to your day-to-day by making time to intentionally thank the people in your life. Say thank you after a nice meal. Thank you to your partner, your family, your friends, your coworkers, your boss, your employees, the people at the supermarket, the people who pick up your trash, you name it. Thank them daily. Join in creating a ripple effect of positivity. Gratitude increases the sensation of appreciation and leads to positive feelings. When you express thanks, you go deeper into your own sense of meaningfulness and personal fulfillment. Thank yourself daily for being kind, loving, and compassionate, for doing your best, for being patient, for being strong, for being courageous, for being vulnerable, for overcoming difficult things, for caring about others, for being your own unique and authentic self. There is no one else quite like you. So thank yourself. Now let's get started with our gratitude meditation. Find a comfy place to sit or rest laying down. As you settle in comfortably, we'll begin by deepening our breath. Taking a deep breath in. Exhale, relax. Inhale deeply. Exhale, release. Let go of all tension. Deep breath in. Exhale, allow the breath out to soften your body. Inhale, feel the expansion in your body. Exhale, release, relax. Deep breath in. Exhale, relax. With the breath in, feel the earth supporting you. With your exhale, allow your body to simply melt over the earth. Relax every muscle in your body. Relax every cell in your body. continue to deepen your breath at your own pace, allowing the air to flow in and out effortlessly. If your mind wanders, that's perfectly normal. Simply bring your attention back to your breath and my voice. There's no place you need to be right now except for here in this moment. Breathing deeply, breathing effortlessly, and relaxing further. I invite you to imagine your breath as a warm wave of relaxation. On the inhale, imagine this wave of relaxation coming up your body towards the crown of your head. As you exhale, imagine that wave rolling down your body, relaxing you all the way down to your toes. Now I'll guide you to reflect on aspects of your life to express gratitude. Call to mind the people in your life that you're most grateful for. Reflect on what it is about them that you really appreciate and are grateful for. Now call to mind the non-human beings in your life that you appreciate, and reflect on what it is about them that you are really thankful for. Now, reflect on the life-sustaining resources that you have and are thankful for. Now call to mind any life circumstances and aspects of your life that you are grateful for. Now call to mind any recent experiences in your life that you're grateful for. Now think about what lessons have you learned recently that you're thankful for. Now think about your own unique qualities, those things about yourself that you admire and are grateful for. And finally, let your mind explore whatever else you are really grateful for. Keeping your eyes closed, bring your left hand over your heart, right hand over left. Feel your chest gently rising and falling with every breath. See if you can feel your heartbeat. And taking a moment to thank life, the universe, God, whichever resonates with you. Thank yourself. Feel gratitude for the unconditional love, love for ourselves, love for our place in this journey called life, love for others, and love for our world. Notice how you feel. Know that you can always come back to this feeling when you practice gratitude. Thank you so much for joining me today. From my heart to yours, namaste. To support free yoga, meditation, mindfulness, and conscious living practices, subscribe to this channel. Found this video helpful? Know someone who'd benefit from it? Please share it. Thanks so much for joining me. I love sharing this journey with you.